you can create a full face professional makeup kit with products under rupees 300 for this festive season. For moisturizers, you can either go for a gel based or cream based moisturizer from Pond's. Both of these retail for 100. Highlighting stroke creams from Swiss Beauty and Mamaearth retail for rupees 299. For open pores or fine lines, this Lakme blurring primer, and for general oil free primer, Insight one performs best. This corrector palette from Insight literally has all the shades one might require for rupees 200. Swiss Beauty concealer has been my favorite full coverage concealer for so many years. The famous Fit Me foundation retails for rupees 254, and Blue Heaven matte foundation just for rupees 203. Loose powders from Blue Heaven and Lakme retail under rupees 200 category. Maybelline Fit Me compact is the most professional one in affordable category. Eyebrow pencils from Blue Heaven and Swiss Beauty retail under rupees 100. Iris lenses are available just for rupees 195 for a pair. Eyeshadow palettes from Mars and Half and Half are super pigmented. You can even go for pressed glitter eyeshadow palette from Mars for rupees 260. Pen eyeliner from Blue Heaven for rupees 153, and waterproof kajal from Miss Claire just for 50. Mars Fabulous Mascara offers precise and voluminous finish for 208. Mars has super natural looking eyelashes for rupees 99, and Swiss Beauty Lash Glue retails for rupees 242. For highlighter, blush and contour, you can either go for this 3-in-1 stack and slave from Blue Heaven for rupees 245, or individual ones from Insight for 100 each. Makeup fixers from both Swiss Beauty and Blue Heaven under rupees 250. For lipsticks, you can go for liquid lipsticks from Matte Look and Insight Cosmetics. For powder or crayon lipsticks, Blue Heaven and Mars perform amazing. Finally, this 24 makeup brush set from Amazon for rupees 285. Comment link to receive all the product links in your DM. Save and